This is a July 2019 1080p HD remake video of a Hunter Coastal Breeze 7.2 after that. It's in the bedroom of house you may know it's broke, so I'm going to spin it for you instead. It's an antique brass. I guess I'll pick the phone up now and give you guys a closer look at it. Alright, so here it is. Here's the globe. No extensions on it. As you can see. As we press for oak to doing this light. I'm not sure what bulbs these are in there. Because the globe is coming in it. How many? There's the Hunter logo right there. Vents and everything, blade black, this the moon style. So that's what I'll put the phone back down and give you guys a demonstration of it. So here goes for light. See how many of the bulbs are working. Not sure how many there are. There might be 3, just like one or the other, then that's working. So here's all. It doesn't work, but I'm just going to spin it for you instead. Just make it look like a little medium and high. I don't know, looks good. Again for you. Oh no, I'll turn on medium. There is medium. There's high. Remember, that's high. Never mind. Oh, sorry, so here's the light. Oops. Hope I didn't break it. Hope you enjoy. I could subscribe and stay tuned for more.